Today we learn some basic about Excel. First of all, sometimes we need to merge and center our cell. So how can we do that? Just select those cells and then simply merge and center. Look, our cell is merged. So when we write something, so we can do easily our stuff, but this not look very attractive or good, so we can make over on this. So we just select this and drag down a little bit, so the word is on the middle, not exactly middle, we do that later. Then we select this, so we want to put our assignment word on middle and the center of that box. So how can we? Just look at this, here is a point, we select that and that goes on middle. We can select other one that goes on top, but that's we want, that's go on middle. So exactly how we can do this of this name, middle, center. Now we can change the color of that box, so easily we can do that on different types of color. So moving on, we can simply add a mini sheet in Excel, just clicking on this new sheet. Look, a new sheet is appear. We can easily go to the previous sheet, but a new sheet also is here. We can rename those sheet, just double click on that, change, done. Done. Today we do some basic function on Excel or some basic math, whatever you say. So let's go. I just randomly make this. You can pause this video and you also can make this type of cell or number. So today we do total, average, and wait, what? This is another common problem in Excel. Sometimes we write a large word or sentence, so this can be hide behind the cell. So we need to large our cell by double click on that, easy way, or just drag this large. But there is another way. If we don't want to make this so large, what is that? Let's remove the mark. Only minimum is here, so we again small the cell. Perfect. We want to minimum marks below the minimum, so just selecting that cell and warp text by clicking on that. Then again we start writing minimum. There is a less space on left, so space MARKS, that's gone on behind the minimum, sorry, under the minimum. Exactly, first we do total or sum or add, whatever you say. By clicking on this, we do the sum by putting a equal sign and then write down sum. Here it is. Double click and select this and press enter. Exactly same on next row, equal sign sum. By clicking on this, enter. Now here is a shortcut formula by autofill remaining entries. Selecting this, and here is a little tiny plus sign. You just drag and boom, autofill. So now we do average of John's biology, English and math subject. Exact same way, equal sign A, B, oh, here is average. Then just selecting this, press enter. Is there any autofill? Oh, already autofill appear. Done. Average number. Then we will find out the minimum number of John, which subject he get on the minimum number. So equal sign MIN, minimum, selecting those, enter. 55. Okay. Oh, John is weak in biology. So again we do just equal sign minimum, enter. Autofill. Maximum, oops, yep, maximum, equal sign max, enter. 70. John is strong side is 70. Autofill. Boom. Easiest way to do a basic math.